What's up, Buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazingly golden day with cherries on top. If this is your first time watching, my name is Elvis. This is the Golden Drive. That is my 1982 Datsun 280ZX. And in this video, if you would see the title, yes, a few months ago I told you guys I was going to be selling this car. But as you would see, in the title, I am announcing that it's not for sale. So I'm going to explain all of that. But first, I need to get coffee and I need to go see some amazing cars. So we're heading to the Vancouver Cars and Coffee, or the Greater Vancouver Cars and Coffee. I'm like 20 minutes late, but it's fine. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna explain to you guys why I'm not selling this again. First of all, why I was selling it before, and yeah, let us head out. So with that said, I've talked too much. Okay, bye. Yes, we are currently at the Greater Vancouver Cars and Coffee, and it is amazing. First of all, the Datsun is there, and there's a 488 right beside it. A few months ago, I moved from the States to Canada, and so in that move, I had quite a bit of cars. Not quite a bit of cars. I had just the Datsun. I had my Genesis. So when I moved to Canada, I pretty much had to get rid of one car, or I thought I had to get rid of one car, and that's pretty much because I at the time did not have a job, and so I was relying on the channel for kind of like income at the time, and so I thought at the time that it would have been the best option for me to get rid of the Datsun, so I could free up some money so I could buy some other project cars. But my plans have completely changed. I got a job in February, and so far it has been the best job I've ever had. It's at Trick Factory Customs. They pretty much build custom cars, and it is glorious. And so you guys should actually follow them on Instagram. So because everything you see that they post is pretty much me posting it. Yeah, and so yeah, I've been doing that for a few months now, and again, it's been the best job I've ever had. What's it called? We do quite a bit of stuff actually. Some really cool cars, some really cool builds. So if you want to see me there sort of more with other cool cars, you should check out their social media: Instagram, Trick Factory Customs, YouTube, Trick Factory Customs, TikTok, all of that stuff. And so with the job, it means I literally don't have to get rid of the Datsun anymore, which I love so much, because again, like I mentioned, I had so many plans for this, and working at Trick Factory Customs has made me realize just all the things that I need to do to the Datsun, because they do insane builds there. And so it just made me look at this and I'm like, wow, like I need to step up my game. I need to make this into something that it deserves to be. I'm gonna show you guys in another video just all the imperfections with this car, because I don't think I've touched on that as much. And so I'll show you guys all the imperfections and show you what I need to fix and why this car, I'm literally going to be transforming this car again. So I'm gonna be cutting everything off that I did and starting afresh with an even more amazing build on this car. And yeah, and I'm also picking up another car at the time of this recording. So there's a lot of stuff I think happening for this channel. And so again, there's no need for me to sell this car, especially since I have a full-time income now. And I'm so excited to keep this thing, because again, the plans for this car are gonna be amazing. And so I feel like I've talked too much. And so with that said, we're just gonna get to more B-roll, and I'll tell you guys more about my plans for the Datsun and for the channel. So let's do this. It looks so good. Over there's some really cool supercars. Then over there you have the what's it called? The Datsuns and Nissans and all that. And then there's this really cool AMC Gremlin that I just love. It looks so good. Look at this thing. It is completely tubbed, and it has OLS. Yes. That's so awesome. And everything is ran with AN line, so that's pretty cool. What's up, Buttercup? So I was editing this video and I realized that I never ended it. So my bad. But I will make a dedicated video of exactly the plans that I have for the Datsun. The reason why I'm talking to is because everyone is asleep, and so I don't want to wake anyone up. But I will be making a dedicated video of my plans for the Datsun and exactly what I plan to do to it. And you guys are going to want to stay tuned because it is so exciting. And again, based on the stuff that I've learned from working at Trick Factory, I think it's going to be a huge elevation in quality of not just content, but also quality of builds, because I want to keep on evolving and improving on work that I do to all my cars. So, yes, I'm so excited, guys. With that said, it's time for bed. I'll catch you guys on the next Golden Drive. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Golden Drive YouTube channel. Also, check out my Instagram account because I also do a lot of posting there compared to YouTube. And so a lot of stuff for updates for new car stuff, for even updates on like my new Z that I'm getting. Follow me there. And I've talked too much. Have a great night, guys. Bye.